Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ABA Mobile Bank app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ABA Mobile Bank is a mobile banking application designed to provide users with secure and convenient access to their accounts. The app integrates various banking features, including balance checks, transaction history, fund transfers, bill payments, mobile check deposits, budgeting tools, and account alerts, all in one place. It also supports secure login options and an intuitive interface for seamless mobile banking. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated by users for its clean design, fast navigation, and reliable performance. It allows users to manage their accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks on the go. Many users also like the budgeting tools and push notifications for tracking expenses and staying on top of account activity. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While most basic functions are free, some advanced features may have limitations or require additional enrollment. There are occasional reports of slow performance during peak hours, login issues, or device-specific glitches. Also, users coming from desktop banking may find certain features less comprehensive. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the ABA Mobile Bank app may be worth using if you want a secure and convenient way to manage your finances on the go. It shines in accessibility, ease of use, and account monitoring. However, if you need advanced banking tools or face occasional app glitches, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.